In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use geometry nodes to create this text animation. Here are the full nodes, and I'll zoom in shortly. I used a string node to create a text object, along with string to curves. Let's see what each node does. The radius value will control how far the text objects are moving away from their origins. The segments and rings values will control how many objects are being generated. I have limited my animation's frame count to 100, and created a default keyframes on frame 0 and 100. I have only animated the radius values, and on frame 50, I changed the value and created a new keyframe. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.